What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw SpongeBob SquarePants. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the nose. So we're going to start with an oval starting on the left. We go all the way around, but we want to leave a gap along the bottom, just pulling that in. Now from the bottom of the nose we're going to move out to the side, add a small bracket, just aiming this up. And we'll connect the center of each bracket with a curve for the mouth. We'll start on the left. We'll come down, go across, and then up. Now I'm going to wrap the cheeks around the corner of the mouth. Starting on the outside, we're going to draw an oval going all the way around. And just come down towards the inside. And do the same thing on the right. Now inside the cheeks, we're going to add 3 dots. Now we want to draw 2 large circles for the eyes tucked in behind the nose and the cheeks. So we're going to start right in the middle with the left side. We're going to start by going straight up, go around the eye, come down and in behind the cheek. Go to the center and do the same thing on the right. Going up to the same height, come around the outside, and then back in. Now we're going to close off the eye from the cheek coming up and in towards the nose. Let's pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. So on the left we're going to draw a large circle, going all the way around, and then up. Do the same thing on the right. On the top left side of each eye, draw a smaller circle for highlight. And then we're going to trace the eye along the inside, going in behind the highlight for the pupil. Let's fill the center of the pupils in black. Now let's add those 2 large teeth in the middle. Start with 2 lines coming down the center. Flatten off the bottoms, going out. And then pull that straight up underneath the mouth. Let's open up the mouth but shift it over towards the right. So we're going to start from the corner of the mouth, come down and curve this in towards an angle, round at the mouth, and just pull that up towards the right side. Along the bottom, we're going to add the tongue. Starting from the left, we're going to go up and then down, and go up and then down towards the right. Let's trace the mouth along the bottom for the lip, going down, and then bending that up. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the eyelashes. In the center, draw 1 straight line coming down on top of the eyes. Move out to the side. We're just going to angle this down and then in towards the middle of the eyes. Now we're going to go all the way up to the top and draw on the head. We're going to start from the left side. We're going to draw a wave. We're going to go around and down. Just draw these curves going up and over towards the right side. Now I want to bring the head coming down in a slight angle, adding those same waves. So around at the corner, come around the cheeks, and then down towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right, going around the face, and bring that down towards the same height. Let's round out that bottom corner, draw that wave going in underneath that lip. Now I'm going to add those holes across the head, starting from the top left, draw a circle, draw a smaller one just below, and we're just going to work our way around the corners of the head. Now let's move in and draw the side of the body. Draw 2 straight lines coming down, and we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's go back up underneath the chin in the center of the body, draw 2 straight angle lines coming in towards the tie, flatten this off. Now from the bottom corners, we're going to stretch this down and out, and I'll add a point along the bottom. Now I'm going to go back up and add in the collar, starting on the left, come down and out, and back up. I'm just going to line that up on the right side. Let's split the body in half with a straight horizontal line, going in behind the tie, and out towards the right. And we're going to add that belt going across the top. Starting on the left, we're going to draw a stretched out rectangle. Now we're going to draw the same size rectangle on the right side of the body, and we'll fill those in black. Let's go in behind the tie, we're going to go out and then down, just leaving a gap for the belt loops. And we'll fill those in black. Now I want to leave a large gap in the center of the body along the bottom. Go to the left side, draw a straight line coming down. Do the same thing on the right. Let's round out the bottom of the shorts, go up towards the outside. And go straight up towards the body. In the center of the pant leg, we're going to draw two straight lines coming down towards the ankles. And we'll round out the bottom with a curve. Now we move halfway along the top of the leg, draw a straight line going across the sock. Let's go to the inside of the ankle. We're going to curve the heel, coming in and then down towards the bottom. Curve the bottom, coming in. Now I want to draw a longer curve across the front of the foot, going out. Let's curve the top of the foot. We're going to go up, bend this down, bend this up and in towards the outside of the ankle. Along the top of each foot, we're going to draw an oval for a highlight. Now let's go all the way back up to the top and draw on the sleeves. From the bottom corner of the head, we're going to move up, bend this out and then up, across the sleeve, bend this up and then bend that in toward the side of the head. Let's go to the inside of the sleeve, draw a straight angle line coming down and out towards the wrist. Now from the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb and then close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down and up around that bracket, step down, add the second finger, and then the third finger coming in towards the outside of the wrist. Now I want to draw that same angled line along the outside, going up underneath the sleeve. Now I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the mouth. I'm going to go in behind the teeth and the tongue. And we're also going to fill the inside of the shoes going around that highlight. And now we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of SpongeBob SquarePants. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.